na-eme ndị Igbo anyị na like hypocrisy would number one thing na-eme ndị Igbo anyị na-adịghị mma. Ndị Igbo anyị na-eme ha hụ eziokwu ha ekpuchigide ya aka, ha hụ ebe o favor ha side ya that side, whether it is true or it's a lie. Ha na-ahụ eziokwu kwuru n'ụkwụ ha. This is one of the reasons why ọ ga-aka ahụ Biafra abịa, because ihe na-eme anyị nọ anyị n'ahụ, ihe na-eme anyị nọ anyị n'akụkụ. Ndị Igbo anyị kpọrọ eziokwu asị, kpọbiga ya oke. Mgbe m hụrụ ndị Zion gara nga ọkpụ ala, mụnwa chekwa na ndị oge Ebuka Obi zụrụ ala ndị niile ahụ azụ. Ama m nọọ ala ọ nakọtara ndị mmadụ n'ike ya na gọvanọ. Mana one thing Ebuka Obi ga-eburu n'obi wụ that na I'm a strong supporter of Zion ministry, but when you see a spade, you call a spade a spade. One thing Ebuka Obi ga-ebu n'obi wụ Governor Hope Uzodimma can never be governor forever, and let him have it at the back of his mind that C of O can still be revoked. Yes, let him bear it at the back of his mind. And the one thing Ebuka Obi na nwanne ya nwoke Engineer CC Obi na-ama bụ, enwere one criminal nọ na-esogharị ha a na-akpọ ya Akụ Zion. That guy ga-awụ one of the biggest problem Zion ga-enwe in the nearest future. Mark my word today. Ọwụ na Ebuka Obi separate gị onwe ya, or separate Zion ministry from this young man. This young man will get Zion na the biggest problem Zion na-aga eme imagine. Ihe m ji na-ekwu ihe a wụdat na mgbe m hụrụ Zion gara m ga ọkpụ ala, ahụrụ m the movement niile this young man mere. Ahụrụ m ihe niile, otu ọ na-eche ekwu okwu, otu ọ na-eche threat na ndị mmadụ na a na-agba egbe na a ga-emekwa nka na a na-eme nka. Ụdịka ihe ndị a na-eji ike eme ya. O nwere ihe m na-adị agwakarị ndị mmadụ, listen, ofu onye ga-echinwuru community nni, community ericha ya. Mana if community cook for you, my brother, if community cook for you, you cannot even eat one quarter of it. Ị gaghị abịa because of na ị nwere governor's influence, ga-ebe na nga ọkpụ ala, gị nakata people ala ha ji akọ ugbo, nakata ha ala ha ji achọ ihe oriri, about 30,000 hectares of land. That's about 180,000 plots of land. Gị nakọrọ ha ala ha n'ike, without any proper settlement, any proper negotiation, because you want a governor's influence. Do you know that somebody else can come up tomorrow? You don't know who will be governor tomorrow. Somebody else can become governor tomorrow, and that those lands can be revoked. Not just only revoked. Even Gokboala people stand by on their foot, take this matter to National Assembly. And remember, National Assembly is not only Christians that are there, only Christians, we Muslims. And all of them will sit and negotiate on this, deliberate on this issue. Manakwa amara na ihe ndị mmadụ na-ebe today can easily cause problem for you tomorrow. What is big deal for Ebuka Obi to swallow his pride? Amam na ihe na-eji nje ya na awụ Governor Hope Uzodimma na say, and don't do anything. Forget about this people. Ha pacha mba, ha will cool down. But he forgot that Hope Uzodimma can never be governor forever, and can never be in power forever. And there was somebody who wanted foresight. You will get to realize, agree with me that now APC time is up. And if APC time is up and APC go out of power, Hope Uzodimma will never have say again in government. And Hope Uzodimma will be deceiving you to go ahead to take people's property without their consent, take their property forcefully. You feel comfortable in that without thinking of the outcome of it in future. Without really thinking of the outcome of it in future. You have a mother, you have parents, you have siblings. Let's assume that Ebuka Obi's mother was among the people that own that land there, and there is famine in those land, and Ebuka Obi happens to be an indigene and not the person involved in this. Will Ebukobi be happy? So what is Christian? What is Christianity for? Christianity, is it for extortion? Christianity, is it for rascality? Christianity, is this for criminality? Christianity, is it for taking people's property forcefully? This is not what Jesus Christ represents. Go to Songota, where you will see Canaan Land, Winners Chapel International. Canaan Land owns over, let me not just lie, Canaan Land owns over 300 hectares of land in Songota. But will you believe me that those lands were not forcefully taken from people? Those lands were purchased by Winners Chapel International. The same thing applicable with Redeem Convention Ground. Redeem Convention Ground is like ×2 of Canaan land. But will you believe me, agree with me that those land were not forcefully taken from people by redeemers? They bought them. Go and make your research. Okay? So why will you come to your own people? Okay, now let me tell you. Oyedepo is from Yoruba. Adeboye is from Yoruba. And he did not take the influence of the government or influence of the governor or whatsoever. Ebukobi is just like an ant. Is just like an ant to where Oyedepo is or Adeboye is. But they did not use influence against their people. But Ebukobi is doing such, using influence, government influence against the people of Imo State, the people of Ngopala, to take their property forcefully. And I've heard that he have already started building in that land without proper negotiation, without proper settlement. What is a big deal there? Since he said that they are rich now, they have money. What is a big deal there to call the owners of the land, pay them 500,000 each plot, pay them. I calculated 500,000 each plot, and it resulted to be about 100. Sorry, I calculated 1 million each plot. It resulted about 180 billion naira. Okay, divided by 2, it will be about 90 billion naira. Why not just remove that money, 90 billion, or you ask your people to make donation, you pay them off so that you can have your peace, so that tomorrow nobody knows